let's see how we can go ahead and work around with gradients inside of Corel Draw. So let's say, for example, I have this particular shape here. Let's say what I want to do is I want to add a gradient on it. In that case, you need to go around onto properties for this particular shape right here, just like this. Or you can go around onto Windows, onto Docker right here, and then go to properties from there. So you can see that this is what I have. So if I were to go around onto the selection tool and select this particular shape, over here what you can do is you can go ahead and then add in a fill color, as you can see right here. Right now there is no fill, but what I want is I want to add in gradients. So I'm just going to go around and click on fountain fill right here. This is the gradient, as you can see. So now from over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and select out different kinds of gradients, as you see right here, just like this, as you can see, just by clicking on it. So apart from this, you can also go ahead and let me just go around over here, and you can see that these are the colors that you can work with. So you can click on in between to add in new colors right here, or double click to remove them out as well. So this is what you have. If I were to go around and choose a particular color, you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go around over here and choose another color right here, just like this as well, for another option. You can also go ahead and change around the transparency level of the color as well. There are different types of gradients, like let's say, for example, there's elliptical gradient, and there's like conical fountain fill right here, and so forth as well. There's also bending up the direction as you click on this, and you can reverse fill as well and change around the arrangement as you like as well. You can see that I got different options like accelerations. I can go ahead and change around the steps right here, just like this, so that the gradient has only certain shades right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and control that out into 10 steps. Let's say, for example, press enter, then there's only 10 steps of gradient. So you can go ahead and change around with the transformation, as you can see right here. Change around with the X position, Y position right here, just like this as well. And even go ahead and then tilt this out and rotate this out according to how you want. You can also have freescale and skew right here, and change around the other properties as you like. And that is how you can go ahead and change around and work around with the gradient option inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.